Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in sports nutrition. Today, we have an exciting and informative topic to discuss: sports nutrition for youth athletes. Whether you're a parent, coach, or young athlete yourself, this video is packed with age-appropriate guidelines to help you perform at your best. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive right in. Did you know that proper nutrition plays a crucial role in athletic performance? It provides the fuel and nutrients your body needs to excel in sports. And when it comes to youth athletes, it's even more important to ensure they are getting the right nutrition to support their growth, development, and performance. Let's start with the 6 to 9-year-old age group. At this stage, it's important to focus on building healthy eating habits and ensuring adequate energy intake. Kids in this age group are typically involved in various activities, so they need a well-rounded diet to support their energy needs. Encourage a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are important for their overall health and well-being. And don't forget about hydration. Water should be the go-to drink during activities to keep them properly hydrated. Next up, we have the 10 to 12-year-old age group. As young athletes become more active and engaged in sports, their nutrient needs increase. This is the time to emphasize nutrient-dense foods that provide a good balance of macronutrients and micronutrients. Encourage the consumption of lean meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, and legumes. These foods are excellent sources of protein, which is essential for muscle development and repair. Also, don't forget about carbohydrates, which are the primary source of energy for young athletes. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables should be incorporated into their diet to provide the necessary carbohydrates, fiber, and additional vitamins and minerals. Moving on to the 13 to 15-year-old age group. This is a critical period for growth and development, so nutrition becomes even more important. As teenagers experience growth spurts, their bodies require additional nutrients to support their changing needs. Encourage a well-rounded diet that includes complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and starchy vegetables, provide sustained energy for longer periods of physical activity. Lean proteins, like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes, support muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds, are important for hormone production and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. It's also a good time to introduce pre- and post-workout snacks to support their energy levels and aid in recovery. Finally, we have the 16 to 18-year-old age group. These athletes are reaching their peak performance potential, and proper nutrition becomes paramount. They should consume a diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and ample fruits and vegetables. Whole grains provide sustained energy and are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and overall gut health. Lean proteins continue to be important for muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats support hormone production and brain function. Additionally, considering their increased sweat rate, it's crucial to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat with sports drinks during intense workouts. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help maintain fluid balance and support muscle function. Remember, it's essential to consult with a registered dietitian or sports nutritionist who can tailor dietary recommendations to individual needs. Every young athlete is unique, and their nutritional requirements may vary based on factors such as sport, training intensity, body composition goals, and any dietary restrictions or allergies they may have. A professional can provide personalized guidance on calorie intake, macronutrient distribution, and timing of meals and snacks. And that's a wrap. We hope you found these age-appropriate guidelines for youth athletes helpful. Remember, proper nutrition sets the foundation for success in sports. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, where we explore various aspects of sports nutrition. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay fueled and keep chasing those dreams.